Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
The rain lily is a rain lover plant that survives throughout the year, but it fully blooms in the heavy monsoon season because rainwater increases the blooming power of the plant. That's why it is called rain lily flower. This evergreen plant is one of the easiest plants to grow. It is a shiny grass-like plant with beautiful white, pink and yellow flowers. The rain lily plant is less than a foot in height. The seeds of rain lily plant are small and black. Its seeds germinate within a week or two in suitable conditions. You can grow this plant from seeds or by using bulbs, but the easiest way is using bulbs because we can plant bulbs throughout the year. If you grow this plant from seeds, the distance between them should be at least 2 to 3 inches, and from using bulbs, there must be a gap of 6 inches on either side. However, you can grow bulbs very closely. The potting mix should always be well drained and pebble free. No specific fertilizer is necessary for this plant. However, you may use a thin layer of compost after a couple of months. The ideal temperature is around 20 centigrade. The rain lily plant needs direct sunlight. The rain lily needs water regularly throughout the year. However, the water must not stand on the surface, so its drainage is essential. Although hardly any pest attacks this plant, but spray the plant with organic pesticide every few weeks in case of pest attacks. Grow rain lily plant in pots until it spreads quickly. When it fills up, transplant them to further pots. A small seed case is seen just below the petals when its flowers dry. You can use these seeds for the next season from that seed case. Keep these seeds and the bulb in a cool and dry place for the next flowering season. The rain lily in bunches provides an aesthetically elegant look.
Thanks for watching.